car doors. Doors. This is the Neutrogena. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Only because it's summer, but you should. Bedside. My hair is like so blown back. I don't know, but I got some volume going on. Bedside, no. Also go to your label. Have this by my car door side. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my top 5 favorites. I know it's been so long since I haven't posted a top 5. I actually filmed a top 5 on my favorite eyeliners. I just never uploaded it because I changed the color of my hair, and also I bought some new liners, so I was like, you know what, I think I'm just going to refilm that and post that one after this. If you guys like my top 5 favorites series, demo and reviews, first impressions videos, and just other general makeup videos, then consider subscribing. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into my top 5 favorite series. Not only because it's summer, but you guys should always protect your skin. This video is gonna be on my favorite sunscreen. Product I'm going to talk about is my absolute favorite. You guys see me use this, you guys see me talk about it. It's the Murad City Skin Sunscreen. This is a SPF+++++, meaning the more pluses the better. This sunscreen is going to protect your skin from pollution and air, the toxin. It has anti-aging properties, brightening. It's a water-based and it doesn't contain any oils. This is a light formulation that has no tint. If anything, it gives you an actual glow. It can be worn alone and under makeup, and it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. As you guys know it, I'm wearing it under my concealer. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup. Again, moisturizer, of course, sunscreen, and I use concealer mainly on the center of my face, and I build it up very lightly, and then I just kind of feather it, and that is it for my complexion. Such a surprise. I'm not even wearing highlight or any contouring. As you can see from the light reflecting, it kind of gives me a nice soft glow. I still have my freckles peeking through and a little redness, which is totally fine with me as long as I'm protected. The second one is actually a primer, more of a mattifier primer. Again, I'm not really oily. I'm more combo dry, can be oily. It really depends. This is a primer that actually contains SPF 30. Now this is a silicone base, so it gives you that smooth texture. It's gonna make your application nice and smooth. With that, it's gonna minimize pores, fine lines. It does do a little bit of oil controlling, but not a whole lot. This is a nice product because it is called the Clear Invisible, so this is colorless. This is also a very versatile product that you can wear alone and also under makeup. This will be a great product to use on your men because it gives a clear matte finish versus the Murad that gives you a slight glow but there's no tint. I just love the feel of this. It's so smooth on your skin. This is actually a discontinued item. However, Cover FX did reformulate and package their primers. And again, this does falls under the category of primers, but they did reformulate it and package some of the new primers with the SPF 30. So again, I'll put everything in the info box below for you guys. This is the Cover FX Clear Invisible SPF 30. Number 3. You guys know I have this by my door side of my car because I do drive a lot and the sun is always on my face. Even though I protect my skin with a lot of sunscreen like SPF 50 or 100, it's only going to protect my skin for a certain amount of time. That is why I always have this by my door side. Because I do drive a lot, and a lot of times the sun is always down on my face on this side, especially going home, you know, sun is setting. So what I do is I give myself a good spritz on my face, down my neck and décolleté, because sometimes I do wear a scoop neck or a V-neck shirt, so this actually gets a lot of sun too, so you want to protect that. So this is a popular SPF 50 spray that is sold in Sephora's. A lot of people get this on the Beauty on the Fly, which I call like the bonus round. So like after you're done shopping thousands of dollars, then you start making your way to the registers, and all of a sudden it's like, then you're like stuck in this bonus round. You can't go back, only forward, and as you're going forward, you see more and more things that you want to buy, and you just drop it in your basket. I'm one of those suckers too. So this is a really nice package. It's a collaboration with Supergoop and Rebecca Taylor, which I have no idea who she is, but I thought this floral print was really pretty and very summer-like. This is the Supergoop Spray Sunscreen SPF 50. Number 4, this product here is an oldie but goodie. This is by Clarins. This is another SPF 50 that is a water-based product with no oils. This comes in non-tint and actually 3 other tints. I don't think you're able to buy this at Sephora's in-store anymore. You could also go to your local department stores like Macy's, Bloomies, or even Nordstrom's. They will have this. This product is so damn good that my mom was like, I want one. So of course I had to buy her the non-tinted one and also the one with tint. I love this so much that I bought a few of these, and of course my mom had to stock up on hers too. Then I realized they stopped selling it in Sephora stores, and that is where I was introduced to this Murad, which I still love. I mean, I love them both. They're just two different products. This is a non-tinted one with a slight glow. The product here has a slight tint. It's not really heavy. I have this in the shade medium. Again, this is a super lightweight product. It's super watery. It has a slight tint and a nice sheen to it. You could actually use this again with and without makeup. There's times I could just wear this alone as a makeup product and it makes my skin really even and fresh. Now this doesn't actually have like the pluses that the Murad have, but I know this does protect you from the UV rays and the anti-pollution. This is the Clarins SPF 50 Medium Tint Sunscreen. Okay guys, so number 5 is gonna be this sunscreen. So before we get into this, let me just backtrack real quick. So when we were in Hawaii, it was beautiful. So the sun was just so beautiful there and just so warm and just beaming on our bodies and just getting that golden glow, but at the same time burnt skin. So on the trip, we actually had brought a big bottle of sunscreen SPF 100 that actually is like an aerosol spray that you can spray all over the body because it's just easier to spray and you can just wipe it down. So mind you, the sun was just really beautiful and just eating our skin. We went through that bottle like quick. The last day we were like, we don't have any sunscreen. What are we gonna do? So I had brought this with me, but a travel size, and I didn't know how much was left in there because it was a small bottle that I always have by my car door. So I use it often, but I just didn't realize how much was left. So I had brought that small bottle with me just in case if we needed to reactivate our sunscreen. But again, not knowing how much was left. Before we hit the beach on the last day, we were like, let's just use what we have. And there was like only like 3 pumps left, so it was like useless. Of course, we hit up the ABC store. We needed some aloe vera for after the sun skincare because our skin was like burnt. Now there were 2 choices for me to pick. We have the SPF 100 or the SPF 50 that's like the gel-based kind of like hyaluronic acid kind of feel that's lighter weight for the face and body. My husband said, no, get the 100. Our skin is burnt. We need this. We came back from our trip and a few weeks later I was shopping at CVS and I came across this guy. And I was like, ooh, this was something I really wanted to try when I was in Hawaii. And since this was buy one, get one half off, so in rotation with my other sunscreens, I've been using this. Now this product here is SPF 50, but this formulation is new. It's a hydro boost, meaning that it's like a gel kind of formulation. So it's super light on the skin. It still has that whiteness to it, but it's okay because once you blend it all out, it's gonna be clear. Nice product because it is non-greasy and it is good for sensitivities. All the sunscreens that I just mentioned in this video is all gentle and it's also good for sensitivities. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF 50 in the gel formulation. And that is it for my top 5 favorite series sunscreen video. Please comment below some of your favorite sunscreens. I will be announcing my summer giveaway on my Instagram stories. Go ahead and check out my handle up there. If you have not joined my summer giveaway, I'll go ahead and put that link down below. Hurry up and enter because it's open for everybody. Go ahead and enter as I'm closing that giveaway shortly. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. If you guys like my top 5 favorite series, go ahead and subscribe so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Thanks again for watching. Protect your skin even though there's sun or not, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!